Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the wonderful world of plants. Today we have a remarkable plant to showcase, the Sansevieria la Rubia. Join us as we delve into the unique characteristics and growing requirements of this stunning plant. The Sansevieria la Rubia, also known as yellow Sansevieria or golden snake plant, is a captivating member of the Sansevieria family. It stands out with its vibrant yellow-green leaves, which add a touch of brightness and elegance to any space. The Sansevieria la Rubia features long, sword-shaped leaves that grow upright. Its leaves display a unique color gradient, transitioning from a rich golden hue at the base to a lighter yellow-green shade towards the tips. The leaves are sturdy and thick, making this plant resilient and easy to care for. Growing the Sansevieria la Rubia is a breeze, as it is adaptable to various light conditions. It thrives in bright indirect light, but can also tolerate lower light levels. However, direct sunlight should be avoided as it may cause the leaves to burn. This plant is also drought tolerant and prefers to dry out between waterings. Companion planting is not necessary for the Sansevieria la Rubia, as it can thrive as a standalone plant. However, if you want to create a visually appealing indoor garden, you can pair it with other Sansevieria varieties or mix it with different types of houseplants to create an interesting contrast of colors and shapes. Besides its aesthetic appeal, the Sansevieria la Rubia offers several benefits. It is known for its air-purifying properties, effectively removing toxins from the air and improving indoor air quality. This makes it an excellent choice for homes and offices where clean and fresh air is desired. And there you have it, the Sansevieria la Rubia, a remarkable plant with its striking yellow-green leaves and adaptability to various light conditions. Thank you for joining us today, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating plant profiles and gardening tips. We'll see you in the next video.